What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Dash Lifestyle. Kindly for watching me for the first time, remember to subscribe, like, share and also comment. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back and watching my video. Thank you so much for the love and support, and greetings to my brothers and sisters all the way from Caribbean country. So guys, I'm starting this video in my house, and also guys, first of all, I want to introduce to the new subscriber. This is my house. I'm inside my house. It is still under construction. This house, I name it Stony Hill House because of the love and support that you Jamaicans you are showing towards me. So I decided to name this house as Stony Hill, and you know, as Stony Hill, it is a beautiful place in Jamaica. So today I want to give you a progress of what we are doing, because the last time I remember we left it without putting windows and without putting the doors. So today I want to show you the progress. As you can see here, we have put the grill. This is the grill, and also there are some works that it is going on. This is the not grill, this is the window. Yeah, this is the window. I will go outside and I'll show you the design. And also we have managed to do piping, but it is electricity piping, but it is not yet over. As you can see, they're still hacking, but this room, it is about to finish. You can see we have done piping. This is the pipe, also electricity pipe, and here it is also electricity pipe. And then after this, then the house will be ready for plaster. This one also, it is for electricity. They will put it here where you see a space. I don't know if you can see very well because the dark, I know it is somehow dark. And also guys, we have managed to put a door frame. This is a door frame, as you can see. Yeah, the door frame, it is here. And also there is electricity here. And also let's go to the toilet. This is our toilet. As you can see also here, we have managed to do plumbing. You can see we have this one for shower, all this for shower, and also here we'll be having our sink. So we changed the position of sink. Initially we were supposed to put there, but we move it here inside. So you can see here we'll be having a sink, and here a shower, and then further end it will be a toilet. So you can see we have also put here the window, you can see, and also the door frame, it is already there. And also let's go to the sitting room. This is the sitting room. As you can see, they are still doing some electricity piping. You can see also here they have put electricity pipe, and also the work, it is still going on. And this is our kitchen. As you can see, our kitchen also, they have put the piping for electricity, and also here it will be our sink, and also the door windows, it is here. This is for the sink to wash, and also they have put here electricity for if you will be using a microwave, it will be here, and also the blender, it will be here. And here it will be our cooker. That's why you can see they've put here. And here it is our fridge, a socket for our fridge. This our kitchen, it wouldn't have a door because of the size, so here it will be left open. So what are you suggesting, guys? Should we put a door here in the kitchen, or should we left it? For me, I think I should left it to be an open kitchen as that. And also this is our last room. As you can see, they have put here a frame, door frame. This is the door frame, and also they have done electricity piping. You can see, and also here it is the electricity piping, and here it is our doors. They are ready, very ready. As you can see, also it is some nice door, but it is very expensive doors. Yeah, this one we have 3 doors. This one, it is for the this one, it is smooth, and also it is a waterproof. This one will be using in our bathroom. This one for the these 2 for the bedroom. So I've told you that in the kitchen it wouldn't have a window. So guys, and also let me take you outside so that you can see what it is going on outside. We have left to fix here a window. We need to fix here the window for this living room. That's why you can see it is open. So here it is our rear front or back, or you can see we have put here the grill. This is the grill, and also here it is the grill, and also we have managed to put here the door. This is our door, as you can see. Let me do like this so that you can see. Yeah, that is our main entrance door. So we need to paint it so that it can look very good. Let me show you from here outside. You can see how the house looks, and also let me take you this side so that you can also see. I've already shown you this is our front yard, and also you can see this is our bathroom and toilet, and that one it is the bedroom. You can see how the grill it is. Can you guys comment down below and tell me how the looks of the window it is? I like this design, guys. This is a modern design. Can you see it? A modern design. Also here, also here. So we have the mason. He's trying to fix the electricity pipe. That's why you can see he's hacking electricity pipe. And also this is the door. They are still making our door for the main entrance of the living room. You can see. So this door, they will come and put it here. You can see here we don't have a door, so we need one door and this window. But I hope today they will fix it. And also let me show you what it is happening outside. Let me pass like this. And also, guys, we managed to bring the sand. This is the sand, guys. You can see this is the sand, and this one it is the dust. So this is the sand, one lorry, and it is very, very expensive. One lorry, it costed me 34,000 Kenyan shillings. So we are at the behind. So they want to finish at put one they want to put one hose over there so that they can plaster it. You can see I need to get a better view because this side it is not our land. So let me try to go like this. Show you. So plastering, we are starting here at the back because inside it has not yet finished. So it is better we start here because here there is some more work. You can see they have put this so that they can step on it and put one course, and then they will plaster it so that here in the back can look very good, and also the water cannot penetrate inside the house. And also the iron sheet, you know, they need to fix up there so that the water cannot pass inside the house, and also the iron sheet can become very, very strong. So they want to start to plaster this side. So I will give you an update in the evening because right now they want to start. I will come and show you the work of today. So let me just go in front and show you. These are the stones. So let me pass here so that you can see. So here they are doing the mixing of the sand and cement. We have cement here, and also we have more cement in the house. So guys, this is how it looks with the windows and doors. Yeah, so you can see how it looks like. So I will give you an update, guys. What's up guys, welcome back once again. So guys, today it is another new day, and also I want to show you first of all the work that we did yesterday, because I couldn't film because yesterday we finished very late, and I want to take you around and show you the work of today and also the work that they are doing today in our Stone Hill house. So guys, as you can see, we have here our unit for electricity. This is a junction unit for electricity. All the electricity which will be supplied in this house, it will be from here. So you can see they have fixed that one. We fixed that one yesterday, and also they have put here and they have already created some pipe of electricity so that we can have a hot shower. As you can see, we have here our wall light. They have already put there, and also they need to put here, so the mason is coming to finish the work. And also guys, yesterday we didn't have the window of the living room, so you can see today we have this window. We fixed it yesterday, and also we fixed it very late, and I couldn't film with the dark because my camera it doesn't work very well when the dark it is too much. And also we managed to fix this door, our entry door, and also guys, we have put here a very nice lock. So let me just move from here so that you can see. So you can see this is our main door for entering the living room. You can see we have put here a nice lock, and also this is our master window, the living room window. Also you can see, and also you can see it is a bit different. This one it is black, and this one it is not black. So but we will be painting all of them same color. And also here we have put the socket for charging. If you will be sitting here in the balcony or front yard, is it front yard? When you will be sitting here in the front yard, you will be able to charge your phone from here. So you can see the piping of electricity, it is there. And today they are still working behind, and then after finishing behind the house, then we'll come back in front, and then we'll be finishing with the plastering the whole house. Also here they have put here the socket to light. This one it will be lighting our veranda here, and also they need to put here which it will be, oh, I can see they have already created here. Yeah, so this one it will be lighting when you are entering to the living room. So I want to take you back so that you can see what they are really doing. So let's go this side so you can see what they are really doing. So let me just move like this. Yeah, so you can see they managed to do the first one up to this side, and today they are finishing with them putting this line. So you can see how it is. Hapo ndo mwisho. Hapo ndo mwisho. Hapo ndo mwisho. So they are about to finish the back, and then after them finishing at the back, they will also come here and plaster also here and also the other side, so that our house can be very good. After them finishing the back and sideway, also they will come here in front, and they will be plastering from here up to the iron sheet there, and then they will be putting some keys. We need also one mason to put some keys all round, some keys. And then after finishing the outside also, now we'll be finishing here with the plastering all house. So kindly guys, I'm so very happy seeing how we are progressing our Stony Hill house. And also I can repeat this for the new subscriber, because you are growing each and every day. For the new subscriber, I am building this house here in Africa, and this house I decided to name it as Stony Hill House, simply because I got so much support and love from the people of Jamaica. And you guys, you know Stony Hill, it is a beautiful place in Jamaica. So this house I name it Stony Hill because Jamaicans, they are supporting me too much. Not only Jamaicans, the people from Caribbean. And also I promise you that I will also putting a flag, Jamaica flag and Caribbean flag in the front of the house. And also if you are coming from any of the Caribbean country, you want to visit here in Africa, when this house it will be finished, you'll be sleeping in this house. I'll be hosting you for free, no payment, because of the love and support that you are showing me. So when you are coming here in Africa, just know, my brothers and sisters from Caribbean, from Jamaica, from United States, when you are coming here in Africa, remember to visit me. I'll be able to host you. This is a 2-bedroom house. I can host 1 or 2 of you, and also maybe in future I will be building a big house so that I can accommodate at least around 10 visitors from Caribbean, from Jamaica, from United States. So that's my wish. After finishing this, I will start another new project of building now a big house which can accommodate, I can host so many people from Caribbean country. So thank you so much, guys. Today the problem that I'm facing, I also want to tell you the problem that I'm facing, also to see if you can also be able to support me in one way or another. So the problem that I'm facing, I need cement, because it is eating a lot of cement. I have already bought so many things. I've bought sand. Now we have sand. Sand, it is enough. We have fixed the windows, inner windows, inner doors, and we have managed to put the piping, plumbing and electricity. So the only challenges that I'm facing, it is cement. I need around 20 bags of cement. That it is around 20,000 Kenyan shillings. That it is around 200 USD. It is around 180 USD. So if I will get 180 USD to add in cement, the only problem that I'm facing, it is only cement. I need to have a lot of cement, because the ones that I bought, I can see it is about to be finished, because they are plastering the outside, and also they'll be plastering this front, and then my cement, it will be almost over. So I need to add another 20 bags of cement. So if you are willing to support me, I will appreciate. Thank you so much for the love and support. So guys, I'll be ending this video today, because this is a 2 days video. I'll ending it today, then I will start another one today, and I will show you the process of them finishing the back and this side and this side. So kindly guys, subscribe if you haven't, like, share and also comment. See you on my next one. Bye bye.